Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chital Shah. I am a tarot and oracle card reader, a Reiki master, distance energy healer, and access consciousness practitioner. When you subscribe to my channel, you will be able to receive pick a card readings, manifestation rituals, tips and tricks for manifestations, and other Reiki and healing tips and information. Every single week up to August 15, I'll upload videos 5 days a week, that is from Monday to Friday, and sometimes I'll upload a video on a weekend as well. So that would be a bonus video. Please don't forget to like and share my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon below to receive notifications about the videos and the time when I upload the videos. If you have any requests for pick a card readings or wish to know about some spiritual content, please write in the comment section below so I can incorporate your requests. Thank you. Today's pick a card reading is to receive guidance for the month of August 2021. We have three piles with us, pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. So pause the video if you would like to and meditate upon the piles and select the pile that you are most intuitively drawn towards. Once you have selected the pile, go down to the description section below and click on the timestamps to receive your guidance. So without any further ado, let's begin with the readings. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining in. And if you are a new subscriber, please don't forget to like and share my video. Click on the subscribe button down below and the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. Today's pick a card reading. Let's begin with pile number 1. So we have three tarot cards for the month of August 2021 for pile number 1. The first card that we have is Two of Wands, King of Pentacles, amazing pile number 1, and Page of Swords. So with these three tarot cards, I feel pile number 1, there is an opportunity that will come to you from overseas. You need to have a bigger vision to receive the opportunity and grab it. Pay attention to any opportunity that comes your way, because this opportunity is going to bless you with financial abundance and materialistic wealth. Also, this opportunity is something that you have been looking out for since a long period of time, and this is the angel's way of blessing you with that opportunity. Also, with the Page of Swords card over here, I feel that there would be a quick movement happening and you need not waste any time in grabbing the opportunity and converting that opportunity into a reality. Also, there would be lots of conversations and communications happening in the month of August 2021 for majority of you, and the communications would be a bit of a straightforward communication where there would be lots of things that would be coming out in the open, and you need to watch your words and listen carefully to what the other person says, because it would provide you important insights about their thoughts about you, and it would let you know what they truly have and desire with this relationship. With the King of Pentacles cards over here, I feel that uh, money will flow in the month of August 2021, and you will really be happy and excited about the monetary inflows in the month of August 2021. Some of you who have been planning to buy a home or looking for a new home and a new venture, it could be happening in the month of August 2021. You need to be sharp and crisp in your presentations and in your personalities and outfits, because this month will really make that cut in terms of your career and in terms of making things happen for you. Also, I see that some of you could be going on a vacation near a beach or a mountain and would enjoy time with your families in the month of August 2021. So the next card that we have for the month of August 2021 is from Goddess Dana, High Priestess, which says you have divine knowledge that can help others through your spiritual teaching. So along with this card, I also feel that business is something strongly that is coming up for majority of you, and also career opportunities are coming strongly. So put your heart into something and put your action into something that you truly desire, because that would truly lead to success for majority of you in the month of August 2021. Also know that you have been receiving divine guidance through your intuitions and through listening to some repetitive words and messages, and act on it to receive the blessings that you have been looking out for. The next card we have is from the Romance Angels for your romantic life, which says very soon. So people who have been looking out for life partners, the Romance Angels are telling you that very soon you will find that partner that you have been looking out for. However, I see a lot of confusion in your thoughts along with the Page of Swords and the very soon card. You need to be very clear about the qualities that you have been looking out for. If possible, take a piece of paper and write down 10 major qualities that you have been looking out for in your life partner, and jot it down very carefully and look at it and realize that are those really the qualities that you have been looking out for in your life partner, and if yes, meditate upon those qualities and develop those qualities within yourself to find it within your life partner. If you do these steps, definitely very soon you will find your life partner, and those qualities would be there in your life partner. So don't give up hopes right now. This is a wonderful time to manifest your life partner and jot down the qualities that you have been looking out for. The next card we have about your health from Archangel Raphael is Jesus, the Divine Healer. It says thank you for your divine healing power and presence. So with this card, Archangel Raphael is asking you to pay attention to what your body is telling you and invoke the divine healing powers within your body. Your body knows best what it is for it to heal it completely. Pay attention to the divine signs and heal your body by incorporating positive attributes and habits in your life. Also, this card means that you are a divine healer and you have divine healing capacities within yourself to heal not only yourself, your physical, mental and spiritual being, but also people around you and situations around you. So whenever you come across any situations or circumstances which you feel are beyond your capacities, call upon your soul, your spiritual beings, and ask for their help and assistance to resolve it at the earliest possible time. The next and the final card we have for you, pile number 1, is from Archangel Samuel, Beloved One. It says, I am helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. So we have 3 cards which are indicating that yes, your soulmate is right around the corner. However, since you are not clear what qualities you would like to have in your life partner, it is taking time. Also, once you develop those qualities within yourself and once you have the belief that yeah, you deserve those qualities in your life partner and you deserve to have a life partner, your life partner will appear magically in your life. So call upon Archangel Samuel and your guardian angels to help you finding your life partner and help you enter in a spiritual soulmate relationship with your life partner and develop that relationship for a lifetime. So any other messages that I am receiving right now for you? Pile number 1 is to pay attention to your personality, to your looks, and how you present yourself in front of others, as well as how you think about yourself when you are alone, because that will definitely define the course of action for your future. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like and share my video. Click on the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. Hope to see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. All those who have selected pile number 2, welcome to your reading. If you are a new subscriber, I would request you to please like and share my video. Click on the subscribe button below and the bell icon next to it to receive notifications about the videos that I upload. I will be uploading 5 videos a week up to August 15, 2021 from Monday to Friday. So you will be receiving pick a card readings, manifestation rituals, some information about spiritual contents like Reiki, healing and other modalities. And if you have any special request or if you would like to know some more information, you can mention in the comment section below so that I will try to incorporate those topics in my videos. So all those who have selected pile number 2 to receive guidance for the month of August 2021, let's begin with your tarot cards. So we have the 4 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles and 3 of Wands. With the 4 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles card, I feel that majority of you who have selected this file would be worrying about monetary issues and their careers in the month of August 2021. With the 3 of Pentacles and the 3 of Wands card, I feel that majority of you need to envision about your future and not worry about the short-term plans or short-term right now. You need to work hard on your career right now. You need to not only work hard, but you also need to present your work in front of people, and you need to do everything possible within your limits and beyond it to move ahead towards your future and to make everything a success. With the 3 of Wands card over here, I feel that majority of you lack vision or are not planning for the long term, and you need to really jot down points for your long term success and see what is possible within you by you right now, and also what you can do after a short period of time to move towards your desired destination. You have all the qualities, skills and hard work that is required for you to be successful and to move beyond your present circumstances and situation, because you are a hardworking soul and you have really worked hard up till now to receive success. Also, for some of you, I feel that you are very hesitant to showcase your abilities to your loved ones and your friends, and also to the world at large. So with the 3 of Pentacles and the 3 of Wands card, I really feel that you need to let go of that fear and anxiety about judgment and conclusions from your loved ones and near and dear ones, and present all your art, all your hard work and all that you are capable of doing in front of them to get away from this 4 of Wands energy, that is lack of money energies or holding on to money or worries about money. Because as you showcase your skills and talents, you will be able to move ahead and out of this present circumstances and situations and be more successful. So the next card we have is the Oracle card about abundance, which is from Goddess Abundantia, which says prosperity. So how perfectly in sync are we going from 4 of Pentacles energy to prosperity energy, and this cornucopia flowing with gold and money and abundance into your life. So definitely there is abundance coming in in your life in the month of August, but it has a condition that you need to move out of this energy, work hard, present your skills, envision success, envision where you would like to go in your future, and work towards it so that prosperity can flow into your life. Remember, you have the skills, talents, and abilities to be successful. However, you have been holding everything within yourself and you are not asking for help, or you are not reaching out to people. But in the month of August, definitely people will reach out to you for your work. So don't hesitate. Quote them the price of your services, of your products, without any hesitation. Be open to receive that without conclusions and judgments about yourself or about your products and services. Display your skills and talents to the people and the world at large, and envision your success so that you will be successful and happy not only with the work that you are doing right now, but also with the monetary flows that will come along with it. Next card we have from the Romance Angels with regards to your love life is Unrequited Love. So with this card quotes that there is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. So with this card I feel that some of you have been waiting for a response from a specific person, and the universe is asking you to let go of that person. If you try to hold on to something or someone, your energies get stuck with that person and you would not be able to move ahead in your life or experience the bliss and the wonders and love that the universe has for you. Remember, as you let go of this person, you will experience more bliss and happiness, though temporarily you will feel a little bit sad and disappointed, but over a long period of time you will laugh about it and remember that, oh, that was a part of my life and I am glad that I left that person or that situation, and now I am in a much happy, better space. So let go of this situation. Also, if you look about, if we try to merge four of coins and unrequited love together, I feel that holding on to something is definitely not the way to success, and you need to let go of that mentality of holding on to things or situations to move ahead and find your success and abundance in each and every area of your life. The next card we have with regards to your health from Archangel Raphael is Stretch. So this card reads, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for staying by my side and motivating me to take excellent care of myself in all ways. So with this card, Archangel Raphael is asking you to exercise and engage in bodily activities that will help you move energy in your body and help you reach a higher vibration and frequency. Remember, when you eat healthy foods, exercise and do some activities which are close to your heart and which will help you move into a higher frequency by eating right and exercising, manifestations become easy, success becomes easy, and things will start flowing more easily, rapidly into your life. Engage in some small activities like walking, yoga, healthy food, and some healthy hobbies like dancing or doing anything that will engage your body and bring out the higher vibrations within your body to attract material success into your life. The final card we have is from Archangel Haniel, Moon Cycles. This card says, notice how the moon affects your energy and manifestations and capitalize upon those cycles. So I feel a lot of you who have selected this pile have high manifestation capabilities within themselves, and they need to pay attention to the moon cycles and their thoughts and emotions to manifest, to attract and see manifestations in their life. Pay attention to the new moon cycles, and during the full moon, try to release all that is no longer required in your life. And from the new moon to the full moon, try to do and act on things that will help you manifest things in your life. It could be from a relationship to a healthy body, peaceful mind. Anything that you desire can be achieved with the help of moon cycles and with the help of determination, hard work, and vision for yourself and for your future. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like and share my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive new pick a card readings every day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. So all those who have selected pile number 3, I would request you all to please like and share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the videos that we upload. I'll be uploading new videos each day from Monday to Friday up to 15th August 2021. These videos would be regarding pick-a cards, manifestation rituals, spiritual information, tips and tricks for manifestation, and much more. If you have any special request, please mention it in the comment section below so that I would try and incorporate those in my new videos. So today's pick a card reading to receive guidance for the month of August 2021 for pile number 3. Let's begin with the tarot cards. So the first card we have for you is Page of Pentacles. The second card is the Devil card, and the third is Ten of Cups. Different combination for you, pile number 1. I feel that pile number 3 with the Page of Pentacle cards, some of you will receive new opportunities for work and employment. Along with the Devil card, I feel that don't go into something that will only give you monetary pleasure, because that is not for your highest good. And after a few months, precisely I feel like after 2 or 3 months or maybe within 6 months of time, you will feel entrapped in that opportunity. So it is better you choose something that is close to your heart and about which you feel happy and joyful working on it and doing those things, because that will be really for your highest good and that would bring you more monetary opportunities and spiritual well-being. Also with the Devil card over here, I feel that some of you have been feeling entrapped in addictions or in something that you have been doing and trying to move out of something. I think that majority some of you need to really get out of that trap and start with taking baby steps towards it. Maybe slowing down your screen time or slowing down your addictions, reducing it by a small quantity, which will eventually lead to eradication of that addictions completely. Financial opportunities are definitely coming for you, pile number 3. Take that first step, move ahead. Do not worry whether you would be successful in that venture, in that new opportunity, because definitely success is ahead for you. However, don't think only about the monetary benefits. Think about how happy and excited you would be doing that same work, or majority of the times the same work, and what it is that would make you happy, because if you are happy doing that work, definitely success will follow through it. Don't try to get entrapped in only the monetary part, because over a period of time you will feel exhausted and it will drain your energy, which will be taking a lot of time to replenish itself and bring you back to a positive state of mind and a positive outcome. The next card we have is from Goddess Cordelia, which says go outside. I feel that majority of you who have selected this pile have been inside your house for a long time, and due to the COVID-19 situation right now, So with this card, Goddess Cordelia is asking you that you need to go outside, get some fresh air, enjoy yourself in the nature. Even if it is for one day, please go outside and enjoy yourself. If going out for a whole day is not possible, Goddess Cordelia is asking you to at least step outside your house and go near some plants, trees, or river bodies, water bodies, at least for 15 minutes each day, and try to align with the energies and replenish yourself with positivity. Also, I feel the fairies here are asking you to use flowers daily in your life, which will also act as an indicator for positivity and refresh your mind and soul. Spending time near water bodies is definitely going to help you. Pile number 3, please step outside your house and breathe the fresh air that is available. I know it is not possible for majority of you to go on a holiday, but definitely you can go out for 10-15 minutes each day and enjoy and refresh yourself. Also, bringing in fresh flowers daily or frequently in a week would definitely help you, as you breathe in the newness and freshness of those flowers, the smell of those flowers. Definitely, it is going to replenish you and make things easier and better for you and take you to a higher frequency. Also, with this moon symbol over here on the forehead of Goddess Cordelia, I feel that the moon plays an important cycle, important part in your life, and you need to work with the moon energies to help you let go and manifest things. Pay attention to the moon signs and act accordingly. The next card we have from the Romance Angels is Worth Waiting For. So I feel that some of you have been looking for a life partner and are really worried whether you will find your life partner soon or no. So the Romance Angels is asking you to wait for your life partner. The Romance Angels, your guardian angels and your partner's guardian angels are working behind the scenes to make this relationship a success and making arrangements so that things work smoothly as you meet and even afterwards. So stop worrying about whether you will meet your life partner, whether he or she is coming, or whether you are on the right track, because there is a divine timing involved in each and every situation in your life. However much we try to rush things up, or however much we try to wait for things, those things happen at the divinely guided timing. And definitely your love life and your relationship is working behind the scenes for you so that you meet your right partner at the divinely orchestrated time. The next card we have from Archangel Raphael, which with regards to your health, is meditation. So I feel that meditation will definitely help you. You can call upon Archangel Raphael and ask him to help you meditate and guide your mind and body to focus upon peace, health, and wellness. Meditation will not only help you relax your soul and bring you peace of mind, but it will also help you to reach powerful answers with regards to your career, love life, relationships, material success, abundance. Also, meditation is a great way to improve your connection with your soul and to receive divine guidance with regards to each and every area of your life. Relax yourself and have healthy mind body relationships. The next two cards we have are from Archangel Raziel, Spiritual Understanding, which says, I am bringing you the astrologic information and symbols and helping you understand spiritual truth. And from Archangel Michael, which says, I am protecting you against lower energies and guarding you, your loved ones, and home. So with these two cards, I feel there is a lot of spiritual understanding and spiritual wisdom and knowledge that is ready to come into your life, into your knowledge. You need to have that higher frequency energies within you to absorb those energies, because most of the times those knowledge and energies are quite heavy, and not everyone is able to absorb it, grab it, and put it to use for yourself and for the highest good of all humanity and spirituality of the world. So meditation will definitely help you receive those divine guidance and information, help you align your energies and put it for the highest good of everyone involved, including you, your loved ones, and the world. Also, you need to ask for Archangel Michael's help and assistance to protect you against lower vibrational energies and protect you against any negativity that would be coming in your way and blocking you from receiving divine guidance and knowledge. Archangel Michael will not only ensure your safety, but he will also ensure safety for of your loved ones and your homes and offices and each and every area of your life. You just need to call upon him and ask for his assistance with regards to any area of your life that you need his help with regards to protection, security, safety, and cutting of cords and lower vibrational and energies. Remember, this is a very spiritual pile, and the month of August 2021 is going to bring spiritual knowledge, awakening, success, abundance, and happiness for majority of you. So pay special attention and meditate and work towards the guidance that you have been receiving, so that you can really enjoy your life ahead and move towards success and happier times. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like and share my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the videos that I'll upload. Thank you.